Hey guys, Justin Johnson here at the MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're standing in our beautiful showroom on a new arrival. This is a 2021 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This boat's powered by a 200 Mercury. Very powerful motor for this boat. Go ahead and step on and notice the great entry here with our sea deck flooring on non-slip. As we step inside, you'll notice a very spacious cockpit, especially for a 21-foot boat. Everybody has enough room to move around and get to the bow, come back to the stern as they would like. This one also has the 2 bucket seats option. Leaves a bunch of room here. Then at the dash, fully integrated, it's beautiful with the 5-inch Simrad. This will be your GPS. Bluetooth radio here as well. And then go ahead and take a peek at the front. Look at this awesome interior. And plenty of seating for 2. If you'd like to know more about this boat, feel free to reach out to me at 813-424-6084. Thank you very much and have an awesome day.